guys, Backpack Biker here. We're going to do a quick video today on this GoPro Hero 8 with a new media mod, and we're going to be installing a Purple Panda microphone. Yep, Purple Panda microphone. Feels weird saying it. Probably sounds weird hearing it, but I have heard a lot of good things about this Purple Panda mic, and we're going to be installing them into the Simpson Carbon Ghost Bandit helmet today. So, what do you say we get all this stuff stuffed into this helmet here, and then we'll hit the road. We'll see what kind of video we're going to get out of this GoPro Hero 8, which I'm sure is going to be great. GoPro speaks for itself. I'm just curious to hear what it's going to sound like between the wind and the bike and the pipes and the loudness and Purple Panda. Purple Panda. Alrighty, we have everything that we're going to need today to install this media mod onto the GoPro Hero 8. We're also going to be using that Purple Panda microphone. Yep, Purple Panda microphone. So first things first, we're going to remove the side door on this GoPro Hero 8. Easy enough. We're going to put that off to the side there. Then we're going to open up the side door on this media mod. We'll then slide this GoPro into the media mod, closing the side door, and that's it. It's installed. Easy enough. There's the 3 ports along the back here. First one is a 3.5 millimeter port. That's for the external microphone. We're going to be using the Purple Panda today. Second port is going to be the USB-C pass-through. So that's if you want to use an external battery pack. If you're going on a longer ride, you don't have to worry about changing the batteries. That will be, for that USB-C pass-through. Third one up top there is the mini HDMI port. That would be if you wanted to connect this to a TV or a monitor and put your video on that. Again, easy enough. It has the two shotgun mics here, front and back. We're not too concerned about those because we're going to be using this on a helmet with the Purple Panda microphone. So that's it as far as that. The Purple Panda. As you can see here, it has 3-ring input. If you were just plug this into the back of the media mod, it would not work. The GoPro needs to use the 2-ring inputs. Now, the Purple Panda does come with this adapter, so all we're going to need to do is plug that into that, and that's easy enough. We'll be able to then plug this into the back of the media mod, and we'll get our audio. We're going to be using the side mount, the GoPro side mount today. I already installed the clip with the adhesive. I wanted it secure, so I installed that earlier. So what we're going to do is just put that on just like that. We'll then install the GoPro real quick, and we'll get this wired up and hit the road. Alrighty. Do that. Perfect. Alrighty. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in this adapter into the back of the GoPro itself. So we'll know exactly how much wire, excess wire that we're going to need to run up the front of this helmet here. We'll then take this wire, the extra wire, and we're going to put it towards the back of the helmet here where there's the most cheek padding. Reason why we want to do that is so we're not going to feel it while we're riding. You definitely don't want to feel that and be uncomfortable. So we're going to move this off to the side. We'll put that more towards the back, and then we're going to take the microphone itself, and then we're going to put that towards the front right here. So it's just kind of peeking out. You can see right there. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to just snap this back down. Whenever you have a helmet has snaps, you always want to make sure you clear the wires. So you just want to feel around before you snap the wires down, before you snap the snaps down, make sure you don't catch a wire. So if you do catch a wire, that could definitely affect the audio or what have you that you are installing at that time. Anywho, alright, so that's pretty much it. You can see that the wire sits pretty tight along here. If we do need to remove the camera, it's easy enough because we have this adapter here. You don't have to worry about pulling out any of the excess wire. And that's easy, just take out the camera. So, that being said, GoPro Hero 8 installed into the Simpson Carbon Ghost Bandit helmet here. Definitely pretty excited to head out onto the road and see how this thing is going to look and sound with using the media mod and the Purple Panda headphones installed into this GoPro Hero 8. Alright, let's head out and check it out. Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video on the GoPro Hero 8 using the media mod, also with the Purple Panda microphone.
I figured we'd just do a quick video. We'll bring the RPMs up a little bit, see how the audio sounds, bring them down, we'll putt around the neighborhood real quick for a little bit, see how the audio sounds. You know, I'm not going to bore you with the chit chat. I'm sure you just want to hear how this audio is going to sound with the medium mod and the Purple Panda microphones using the GoPro Hero 8 on the Simpson carbon Ghost Bandit helmet. Right now about 3,200 RPMs. So this is what you'll hear. This is the audio of the Purple Panda microphone using the medium mod with the Simpson carbon Ghost Bandit helmet. Now this Ghost Bandit helmet isn't exactly known to be the quietest helmet, that's for sure. So we got to take that into a little bit of consideration. I normally would use the Cena Prism Tube Wi-Fi action camera. You know, it's definitely not bad. You know, I like the camera. It comes with its you know, its own microphone, and it also comes with a speaker as well to let you know when the camera is on or off, or you know, if the battery's going low and so forth, which definitely is pretty cool. From what I remember, I think it was $130 for that camera, and that's with all those you know, the accessories there. So it's definitely a good buy. I'll probably do a video on that. You know, a little bit of a comparison video between the GoPro with the medium mod and the Cena Prism Tube. We'll run them both you know, side by side together, and we'll see exactly what kind of audio and video difference we'll get. I'm sure there'll probably be a pretty big difference as far as video wise, you know, because of the GoPro Hero 8. You know, GoPro speaks for itself. It's a you know, it's a great action camera, but you pay for it. It's definitely a little bit pricey. So we'll go ahead and probably do that video soon. Today certainly is a beautiful day for a ride today, that's for sure. So again, this is on the GoPro Hero 8 using the media mod with the Purple Panda microphone installed into the Simpson carbon Ghost Bandit helmet. Now what I'll do is I'll lift up the visor. We'll see what kind of you know, noise reduction we'll get out of this. You know, see if it's a, you know, pretty big difference as far as with the wind. Go ahead and open up that visor. And this is yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 8 with the medium mod on the Purple Panda microphone with the visor open. Enjoyed this video on the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod using the Purple Panda microphone installed into this Simpson carbon Ghost Bandit helmet. And thanks for watching. God bless and ride safe.
Perfect.